You and I. Hi guys, welcome back to Chicken to Nuggets. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make intros. So they're of course going to be free. So first you got to get on a browser. It cannot be Safari because it doesn't really work on Safari. So now we type in this website. I'll put the website in the description if you want to check it out. Type in Panzad Creations. Now that you have typed that in, you can see all these creations. So you can do the latest or the top. So how we do the top? Then we can see all these intros. Now let's press on one. I'm going to press on this one. Okay, and then we're going to press open ClickMaker. Now that we have all this, we can see the intros. Then we can select which intro we want. So we're going to have to press on this button so you can actually see how it will look like. But you gotta be there for me too. So for example, you want to pick a different one, just pick it from the sidebar. So let's do this one. How does this one look like? Come on, load. Okay. Come on. Why won't it work? Okay, now it works. Okay, now let's play it. Okay, so if you like the intro, then you go here, down here, then you have, you see the letters here, it says like, how we look, it says intro, okay? So now we have to find where it says intro. Intro. Come on. Oh, so if it doesn't say intro, then there will be individuals where it say text and blah blah blah. So then we can change the text. So here, how about we make it into lamps? So L enter. You always have to do enter. So L enter. Then you have to do L, and you always have to do enter or else it won't save. Okay, now that we have done L, we go to the next group. Okay guys, so now that we have the L, we'll have to go to the N, so that it's supposed to intro, so the next word would be N. So we can do this at A, enter, we go down here, we go to this T, got do M, enter, then do a M, enter, then we go all the way down, we see R, P, enter, P, enter. Okay. Then we just need last words. So now we just need to put an S. Okay, now that we have everything we need, we can start all over. So we're gonna put it right here. Okay, now let's watch it. That seems good. So when you think it's good, you go down here to render, start rendering. You press start. It calculates how many minutes. Okay, so I'm going to tell you when it stops. I'm going to come back to you guys. Just download the video. You're going to have to wait. It should appear somewhere down here. Yes. Okay, now you can see your video. So you take it out. You just drag and drop it out here. Okay, now let's watch it. Wait. Okay, so now you have your intro and you can just post it on YouTube. Thanks guys for watching. I hoped you enjoyed and it taught you something. And bye!